Snail balloon tutorial. Start by twisting to the finger bubbles to form an ear tie. Pass the neck of the balloon through the center. Then twist a single 3-finger bubble. Now, make another 2-ear knot. A single 8-finger width bubble. Let's do another double ear tie. Fold it over to make a single bubble of the same size. Wrap it around the ear tie. Release the excess air. Cut off the balloon neck. Adjust the base shape. Set it aside for later use. Make a 2-ear knot with the yellow balloon. Create a 3-finger loop. Wrap around the small loop bubble once, then create another loop bubble. Continue twisting a large loop bubble. Release the excess gas. Stuck between 2 single bubbles of the blue balloon. Take a section of the balloon, inflate it to a 4-finger bubble, and tie it securely. Divide the single bubble into 2 equal parts. Push the air toward the end. Tie a tight knot at the center. Trim off the neck of the balloon. Wrap it around the ear knot. Once you draw the eyes, the little snail is complete.